To create multiple portfolios in M1 Finance, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Portfolios tab. This is where you can view and manage all of your existing portfolios. To create a new portfolio, click on the Add Portfolio button. You will then be prompted to choose a portfolio type, either taxable, retirement, or custodial. Select the type that best fits your investment goals. Next, you will need to choose a name for your portfolio and set your investment goals and risk tolerance. M1 Finance allows you to create multiple portfolios for different investment goals, such as a taxable brokerage account, an IRA, or a Roth IRA. You can also create separate portfolios for different risk tolerance levels or investment strategies. Once you have created your new portfolio, you can begin allocating funds to it. You can transfer money from an existing portfolio or deposit new funds. M1 Finance also allows you to set up automatic investments and rebalancing to help you stay on track with your investment goals. It is essential to keep in mind that each portfolio will have its own settings and configurations, so be sure to review and adjust as necessary. Additionally, consider tax implications and diversification when creating multiple portfolios. By following these steps, you can create multiple portfolios in M1 Finance and effectively manage your investments. It is crucial to regularly review and adjust your portfolios to ensure they remain aligned with your investment objectives. Creating multiple portfolios in M1 Finance provides flexibility and allows you to tailor your investments to your individual needs and goals. With M1 Finance, you can easily manage multiple portfolios and make adjustments as needed to help you achieve your long-term financial objectives. To get the most out of M1 Finance, it is recommended that you take the time to understand the platform and its features. The key is to create a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. By doing so, you can maximize your returns and minimize your risk. In conclusion, creating multiple portfolios in M1 Finance is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your investment goals. By following the steps outlined above and considering key concepts such as diversification and tax implications, you can effectively manage your investments and work towards a secure financial future.